Hi guys, I'm going to take you through my temporary room. Alright, this is my bed. Yeah, it's kind of messy. These are my new shades. Aren't they fabulous? They're aviators, and I love them. This shirt costs like $36. I don't know why. It has a cross on the back. I got this one at the same store. It's really pretty. I have a yellow dress on here, so these are my little drawers that I put my clothes in. One can't really see them. These are my pants with my stubby belt on them. It's cool looking. My phone. Here's my. Oh, I just dropped my phone. This is my phone. I text all the time. So I love to text. This is my half-eaten Butterfinger. I ate half of it, and I decided I didn't want it anymore. This little doodle pad is awesome. I keep drawing boats on it. I don't know. This is my Rockstar that I drank, and it's not there anymore. There's a computer. We all know about that. This is the desk where everything goes on. Who cares? I think okay, let me show you the treadmill. It has little chalk drawings for my nieces. They decide they don't want to draw on the chalkboard, they want to draw on the treadmill. That's what they draw on. These are my other shades. They're really my nieces. She likes them. She thinks they're the stunning shades. And here's my iPod in the floor. It's old. Yeah, I've had it for a year, but what am I gonna do? What else is there to show you guys? Oh. Always keep Febreze in your house. It smells good. Did my phone just fall down? Oh no, never mind. This is a sign kit on the floor, and that's Ronald McDonald. Can't know if you see him. It's Ronald. One of my niece's toys, one of their many. They're up at their Animandas today, and tomorrow. Let me show you. Here's a little notebook. Not mine. It's pretty though. Pretty. My medication for allergies. I'm not like loopy or anything. There's nothing. Here. Oh. This golf ball. That's a lot of money. Funny time. Here's the $5 bill that I found. Oh, it's very crumpled up and it's got ink on it. It's got blue ink. Here's another Rockstar can. You can see it. It's been in there. Warheads are awesome. I like the yellow kind the best, and then the blue kind. That's just awesome. Oh, this is a shirt. This is my $46 shirt, I think. It was either 46 or 42. It's expensive. It's a store called Buckle. It's just my wallet. Isn't that just adorable? It's got quite a few things in it. It's got pictures of my friends, other things, little cards. Nothing really spectacular in there.